Hello dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject mathematics in standard 6th. In this video, we are going to continue with our chapter number 6 bar graphs. We will solve questions from practice set 19. This is part 1 in which we solve question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side to get my all videos. So now in practice set 19 we are going to draw graph. We will be representing this data on a graph paper. So first question is the names of heads of some families in a village and the quantity of drinking water their family consumes in one day are given below. Draw bar graph for this data. Scale is given and this chart is given. In this chart, the detailed information about this family, their head, names of their heads are given. Ramesh, Shobha, Ayub, Julie and Rahul are the names of the heads, and how much liter of water they consume, their family consume in one day is given to us. So let us show this data in the graph book. So if you all can see, this is my graph book. I have written this question on the lined side of my page. Question number 1. I have written the full question on my lined side, and on the graph side I have drawn this two axis, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, can you see here? This is x-axis, horizontal line, and vertical line is y-axis. The line should be drawn on this bold line, okay, on these dark lines. This axis, x-axis and y-axis, you all have to draw on these dark lines. Do not draw on light lines, okay? Don't draw on faint lines. You all can use a big scale like this and then draw this x-axis and y-axis. Now point of intersection should be written O here, and now we have to write the scale on the right hand side at the top. Okay, what is the scale given in the question? Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liters of water. So same scale we will be writing here. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liters of water. Okay, now I am using my pen so that in video this graph should be visible very clearly, but you should not use pen. Okay, you have to use pencil. Write everything with pencil, draw these segments, draw these lines, x-axis, y-axis with pencil. Do not use pen. Okay, now what we have to do? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liter of water on y-axis. So 0 to this bold line will be 1 centimeter. Okay, and this 1 centimeter means 10 liter of water. So this first point will be 10. After 10, next dark line is 20. So this is 1 unit. 0 to 10 1 unit, 10 to 20 1 unit. So 1 unit means 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is 10 liters of water. So first dark line 10, second dark line 20, third dark line 30, fourth dark line 40, fifth dark line 50, sixth dark line 60, seventh dark line 70. Till which number we have to write? See which is the maximum number here. Maximum is 60. So you can write till 60 or 70. One number more than this. Okay. Now this we have written. What we have written on this side? Liters of water. So you have to write here liters of water. Now here on x-axis what we have to write? On y-axis we have written liters of water used. If you want you can write liters of water used. Okay, this liters of water used we have written on y-axis. On x-axis, what we have to write? Names of the heads of family. So I will be writing here names of the heads of family. Okay. In this way, on x-axis, we have to write the names. One by one, we will be writing the name. First name is Ramesh. So first I will write Ramesh. How many families information is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to see that we have to draw 5 columns. So in each column, between 2 columns, the distance should be same. So I will be drawing first column here. Ramesh I write here. Second column after 2 units, 1, 2, I will be drawing the second column. This is, the name is Shobha. Then again after 2 columns, I will be writing third column. Head name is Ayub. 1, 2, 2 columns, I will be drawing the next column. Head name is Julie. 1, 2, after 2 columns, I will be writing the next column. Head name is Rahul. Okay. Now let us draw a column for first family. Family head is Ramesh. Family head is Ramesh. How much water they consume? 30 liters. So we have to draw a column till 30 liter. So let us draw column or bar. We can say anything. Because we are drawing bar graph, it is also called bar. So I will start from this point. I will go till 30. Where is 30? See here. Till 30 I will go. Take dark line, okay? You have to take the dark line. Do not take the faint line. Till 30. Close it. Close the column or close the bar. And in this way, for first family whose head is Ramesh, they consume 30 liter of water. We have drawn first bar. Now, second family is head is Shobha. They consume 60 liters of water. So we have to draw a bar till 60 liters. So I will be drawing, I will leave 2 units, 1 and 2, and I will be drawing the second bar till 60 liter or till 60 unit. Okay, can you see till 60 I have drawn the line. I will be drawing second line also. And then I will close it at 60. So in this way, second bar I have drawn. Now I have to draw third one for Ayub. Ayub's family consume 40 liters of water. So I will be drawing 40 here. I can get the chart over here also because I have written the question on my line side also. Okay. Now Ayub's family consume 40 liters of water. So till 40 I will be drawing the third bar. See that the distance between 2 bars should be 2 units. 1 and 2. So here also 2 units. Till 40 I have to draw the can you see till 40 I have drawn. I have to draw second also and I have to close it at 40. If you want, you can write these units over here 30, 60, 40, otherwise leave it. Okay, now Julie's family. See, I will be using my question which I have written here. Julie's family consume 50 liters of water and then Rahul's family consume 55 liters. So Julie family 50 till 50 I have to draw, leave 2 lines. Okay, 2 units, 1, 2 and then draw till 50. And now last is Rahul's family. Rahul's family consume 55 liters. So 55 liters. Where will 55 come? Between 60 and 50. Okay. This middle line, middle dark line is 5 units. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see 5 small lines are there? So after 50, this fifth line will be of 55. Correct? From 0 to this first dark line is 5, then 10, then this line dark line is 15, 20, then this line 25, 30, then 35, 40, 45, 50, and after 50 this fifth line is 55. So till 55 we have to draw the next bar. Okay, close it. Can you see it is still 55 here? Okay, now if you want you can color it, color the bars, otherwise leave it. Otherwise you can do anything here to show the bars very clearly. If you want you can put the dots in the bars like this. Okay, as we are showing the water consumed, so you can put the dots like this. Only you have to see that this the distance between these bars should be equal. Can you see? 1 2 2 units, 1 2 2 units, 1 2 2 units, 1 2 2 units. From 0 to first bar also 2 units distance is there, from 0 to first bar, 1 2. Can you see? So in this way you have to draw the bars in a graph to show this data, to represent this data. In this way this data can be represented on this bar graph. Okay, so you can color all these bars. I will be coloring and I will show you. So I have filled all the bars with this pen. If you want you can use your crayon colors also. Okay, so in this way we have completed our first question. Now let us go on the second question. So now question number 2, the names and numbers of animals in a certain zoo are given below. Use data to make bar graph. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 4 animals. That means on y-axis we have to show the number of animals. On y-axis we have to show this number of animals, and on x-axis we have to show the names of animals. See children, the data given in the first row, these are the rows na. First row we have to take on x-axis, and these numbers are given we have to take on y-axis. Always keep this in mind. So as you all can see, I have written the question on my line side, and on my graph side I will be drawing the graph. So let me fold my graph book so I can show you very clearly. So I have folded my graph book. Now you all can see I have drawn this x-axis, y-axis, origin O or 0. On the top what I have to write? Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 4 animals. Here I will be writing scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 4 animals. Okay. Now what should be written on y-axis? Number of animals. So here I write number of animals, and on x-axis what I will be writing? Names of animals. Names of animals. Now what I have to take? 1 centimeter is equal to 4 animals on y-axis. So 0 to this first dark line, 4 animals. This difference of 4 animals. After 4 next line will be of 4 to the 8. Okay, this distance is of 4 animals. 1 centimeter 4 animals. 4 to 8 how many animals? 4 animals. Then after 8 next dark line what should I write? 4 plus 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have to write 12. So distance of one unit is 4 for animals. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. Till which number I should write? Let us see which is the maximum number, which is the greatest number. Greatest number is 20. So till 20 I have to write. Otherwise you can write till 24 also. Now first animal is deer. How many deers are there? 20. So I have to draw a column of 20 on my graph. So deer I will write here, deer. You can leave one line and draw column on the second line. Till 20 I have to draw. You can mark the point here till 20. From here till 20 you can mark the points like this. And then you can draw a column in this way. Okay. So first column is for deers. Now second column, for which animal we have to draw? Tiger. How many tigers? 4. So leave one line, second line. 4 means this first only. First dark line. Okay. Now next. Which animal is there? Monkey. How many monkeys? 12. Here I have to write tiger first. Tiger. Then monkeys. 12 monkeys. One line leave from second line till 12. Okay, I will make the points till 12. Okay. And now you can draw columns or bars. This is for monkey. Monkey. Okay. Now next animal. Which is the next animal? Rabbit. How many rabbits are there? 16. So leave one line till 16. We have to draw next column. I will be marking the points so that there will not be any mistake. Rabbit. Now what is the last animal? Peacock. How many peacocks? 8 peacocks. So I have to draw column till 8. Leave one line and draw the column. Peacock. Now if you want, you can fill in this bars. Otherwise leave it. Okay, otherwise you can fill like this. Anything you can do, the dot you can do. You can draw any design over there, but see that all the design should look same. In this way you can draw slant lines inside this bar and fill all the bars. I will fill all the bars and I will show you my bar graph in the end. So in this way you all can complete this bar graph. Now question number 3. The table below gives number of children who took part in various items of talent show as part of annual school gathering. Make bar graph to show this data on bar. So scale is given, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 4 children. Again y-axis we have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 4 children. So this program, theatre, dance, vocal music, instrumental music, one act play, we will be writing on x-axis, and number of students we will be taking on y-axis, because on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 4 children. So number of students we have to write on y-axis. So as usual I have written this question on my line side of my graph book, and on this side I will be drawing my graph. So I will be folding and then I will show you so it can be seen clearly. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, This is origin O, 0. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 4 children. So I write here scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 children. So from 0 to this point it is 4. Then 4 to the 8, then 12. In this way I have to write till what is the maximum number of children? 40. So till 40 I have to write. So let me write 4, 8, 12. Next dark line is 12. Next dark line is 16. Next dark line 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Then 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. So here we have written number of children or number of students. And below on x-axis what we have to write? Program. Now see children, 6 programs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5 programs are there. So we will be drawing 5 bars. First bar is for theatre. In theatre, how many children have participated? 24. So we have to draw bar of 24. So till 24 I will be drawing. This is for theatre. Next program is dance. For dance 40 students have participated. So till 40 I have to draw the next bar. You can mark 2 points so it is easy to join those 2 points. This is 40, bar of 40, and this is for dance. Third program is vocal music. 16 students have participated. So I have to draw bar till 16. Can you see 16 here? So till 16 I am drawing. This is for vocal music. Next item is instrumental music. 8 students have participated. So till 8 I have to draw the next column. This is for instrumental music. And last column we have to draw for one act plays. 4 students are there. So 4 means first dark line. One act plays. So in this way we have completed this bar graph. If you want you can color it, you can put the dots in this way, put the dot and fill the bars. So I have filled all the bars. Now let us go on the next sum. Question number 4 is number of customers who came to juice center during 1 week is given in the table below. Make 2 different bar graphs. We have to make 2 different bar graphs. In first bar graph we have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. That means 1 unit we have to take 10. And in second bar graph we have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. So on x-axis we have to write types of juice, orange, pineapple, and on y-axis we will be writing the number of customers. So as usual I have written the question on my line side and I will be drawing the graph on my graph side. So let me fold it and I will be showing you. This is x-axis, this is 0, this is y-axis, First we will be drawing graph of scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. So scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 customers. That means what? On y-axis I have to write number of customers. Zero to first unit is 10. Then after 10, 20 will be there. Difference of 10, 10. Then 30. Then next dark line is 40. Next dark line is 50. Next dark line is 60. 70. Till what I have to write? What is the biggest number here? 65. So I can draw till 70. Now I have to write the type of juice here. Type of juice. Yes. Now first type of juice is orange. For orange juice, how many customers are there? 50 customers. So I will be drawing the column till 50. Can you see 50 here? Till 50 I have to draw the column. I have marked the point so I can draw the column very carefully till 50. These are the customers for which type of juice? For orange juice. So I will be writing orange here. Now second type of juice is pineapple. I will be leaving one unit 1 centimeter, and then from second we have to draw a column. Pineapple, 30 customers are there. So I have to draw till 30. So I will be marking the points over here from 30 like this. Okay. So 30. This is for pineapple. Pineapple. Now next is for apple. For apple there are 25 customers. So where will 25 come? After 20 there will be 25. Between 20 and 30. This bold line is for 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see 5 small lines over there? So after 20 this fifth line will be 25. So I have to mark the point here at 25. Can you see from 25 I have like this. From 25 you can see that I have marked these points, and now I can draw my column. This is for apple. Now second type of, sorry, not second, it will be fourth. Fourth is mango. Mango, 65 customers are there. So where will 65 come? Between 60 to 70. This dark line will be 65 because these small lines are 5 lines are there. So 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. So let me mark. Yes, I have to put the mark over here, point over here, and then I can draw the column. This way. This way. This is 65 and this is for mango. One more fruit is remaining, which is pomegranate. So pomegranate, 10 customers are there only. So till 10 only I will be drawing the last bar. See that distance between two bars should be equal. The distance should not be more or less. Can you see the distances are equal? And this is for pomegranate. So children, you have to fill it with any color or any type of design. You can do anything. Okay, I am not filling it. I am leaving it as it is. We have to draw second graph from the same sum. Here we have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers on y-axis. Here we have taken 10, 10. The difference of 10, 10. Now we have to take the difference of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 like that. Okay. So let us draw another graph. So in this way I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. Here I will be writing X. Here I write Y. Here I write 0. Scale I will have to write. So scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 customers. Correct? We have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers now. So from 0 to first line is 5, second 10, 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70. This we have written the number of customers. Number of customers. Okay, now let us draw the bars. I will be drawing the bars at the distance of 1 centimeter now. I will not take much more distance. Okay, so first it is for orange. 50 customers are there, so till 50 I have to draw my first bar. So I have to take till 50. Okay, can you see in this way I have drawn first bar for orange. Now as I have taken from 0 to this bar 1 centimeter distance, from first bar to second bar also I have to take 1 centimeter distance. Now for pineapple 30 customers are there, so I will be drawing the bar till 30. This is for, sorry, let me make it very properly, very carefully. Pine apple for 30. Okay, now third bar is for apple. For apple 25 customers are there, so till 25 I have to draw the bar. Apple. Now next is mango. For mango 65 customers are there, so till 65 I have to draw my next column. See how I mark the points, and now I will be drawing. And this is 65. Okay, now last column is for pomegranate 10, till 10 only. This is for mango and this is for pomegranate. So in this way we have completed this chart. Sorry, not chart, this is our bar graph. If you want you can fill in this with this dot 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 dot. Okay, I will be filling full all these 5 bars and I will show you. So children, in this way I have filled in all the bars, all the columns, and this is my second type of graph where I have taken the distance 1 centimeter is equal to 5 customers. So all the columns you all can see very heighted columns. Height is large height. Okay, and in first type of graph we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customer, so columns were short. I will be showing you first bar graph also. So this was my first bar graph. So in this way we have drawn 2 bar graphs on same page, and you can draw it on different pages also and complete your question number 4. So children, in this particular video we have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 5th and 6th question I will be showing you. 5th, 6th and 7th, 3 questions are there. So that those 3 questions we will continue in our next video of part 2. Practice set 19 part 2.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.